Ja, så skal jeg i dag have besøg af min lillebror. Faktisk er han rigtig stor end mig, men han er stadig mindre end mig. Ja, ved du hvor spændt jeg er? Jeg er så spændt på at se, om han kommer fra mit land.
Dr. Tracy Dennis here! Have you ever good cup tea today, my brother?
Have you ever got some tea today, my little brother?
What is this? What's this?
Han er lidt gammeldags.
What's this?
Is it,
Can I eat it? The man is hitting me!
Do you have a good cup?
I hate you.
Have you had a good cup tea today, my brother?
No, I not drink tea. I drink coffee. And hit me again!
Will you have a good cup tea today?
No thanks. I hate him.
Yeah, a good cup tea today. Yeah, a good cup tea today.
Hello? Is this food? Food restaurant?
Will you have a good cup tea today? Now?
No, I say!
Alright.